Okay, this is a tutorial on how to put ringtones on your iPhone. There's two ways, so there's one for ones on the internet and one for your songs, so you can customize your songs. Anyway, so you're gonna need your iPhone syncing, iTunes open, and any website that you can download MP3 ringtones. So I'm on mobile24.com. You can go there. It's a pretty good site. You have to sign up and you get like 33 free downloads. So let's find a funny one.
It's ringing, it's ringing.
No, I fucking hate that little kid. Yes. Alright, I'll take that, I guess. Okay, so you click on it, go down to, click here to download to PC. Save it just to your desktop. Well, this is with Vista, but it works with XP too, because XP is actually better. Anyway, so it's downloaded, okay, so it's on your desktop. Go to iTunes, go up to File, add file to Library, go to Desktop, and find the file you just downloaded called, it doesn't have to be in desktop, save it anywhere, just where you saved it. Go to it, it should be, there it is. So click on it, open. Now search chicken or whatever it's called, and there it is, right there in iTunes. Okay, so now you gotta right click it and make convert selection to ACC or AAC. Now click it. You'll make a second copy of it, and it's right here. Make sure you remember which copy is ACC because they look the exact same. So right click on the ACC and say show in Windows Explorer. Then it'll show you it right here. Now click it once and it'll be an M4A file. Turn it to M4R or M4R, and then after you click it, it'll say this file may be unusable. Just click yes. Then it'll say, when you click on it, instead of it saying MP3, it says ring. So now close, well no, just minimize that file, click ringtones, go to it, just drag it into your ringtone folder, which is right here, and there it is, Chicken Impossible in ringtones. You can drag it straight to your iPhone. Okay, so how long am I at? 3 minutes. Alright, now I'll show you the second way, which is to make your music as a ringtone. So random song, let's choose Johnny Cash Owns. Okay, so any song you want, just say whatever song. Okay, so go to the song you want and click Get Info, then go to Options. Now that it says Start Time, which here will always be default 0, which means it starts at the start of the song. But say you want it to be, okay, say you want it to be a 15-second ringtone, so you type in 0, semicolon, or whatever the hell you call it, 15. So it's going to make it a 15-second song, even though it's not AC. Then you convert it selection to ACC. It makes it a second one. Now to make that song go back to normal, just make the end time, just uncheck the end time, so it just continues to the end of the song. Alright, so here's the ringtone I just made. So now you, did I convert it? Yeah, I did now. Show in Windows. I guess I should show you. Hold on, guys. Okay, so I guess people are going to be wondering, what if it doesn't show the M4A? If it does, this is just for. If it doesn't, this is just for Vista. Go to Control Panel right here. It's pretty much the same for XP. I have it on Classic View because it's really hard to find. Just click Classic View and go to Folder Options right there. Then go to View. Now make sure this one is checkmarked, this one is checkmarked right here, and this one's not checkmarked. Show hidden files and folders and hide extensions and known file types. Make sure that's unchecked. And then once it is, then you're all good. Then just do exactly what I did for the MP3 file, and you'll have a ringtone. So now that chicken ringtone is, I'll just show you that it does work. Just let me rename it something better. Chicken ringtone. Okay. Okay, so there it is, chicken ringtone. Now just drag it into your iPhone. And my iPhone's backing up right now, but I could care less, so slide to cancel. Let me type in my passcode. Okay, so go to settings, sound, ringtone, and chicken ringtone. There it is. But I like this one. Yeah. So that's the tutorial on how to put custom ringtones on iPhone, iPhone 3G, running any software. It isn't illegal, but iTunes makes you pay $2 for their ringtones, but there's a free way. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.